Hello, my name is Movie Master, and today we're going to cook spaghetti. And our special guest we have Brooke. Come closer to the camera, guy. If you want to come closer to the ingredients. Alright, so what we have to do is we have to put the ground beef in there to make it 1 pound for half of beef. Ground beef right here, as you can see. So there's other things in the background, so about that we have to get everything ingredients. So now we're going to cut the onions.
This makes me cry.
And the best way to cut an onion is you gotta put goggles so you don't have to make your eyes cry and all that.
This is our one-time thing, so oof. Unless you do another cooking it.
Yeah, I could do another cooking show if I want, if my teacher will let me and all that.
Well, no, because we all have to take a turn, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Now we wasted all these onions because of you, failure, son.
Yeah, I'm a failure. So there's other things in the back. Dump all the butters in, but dump all the onions in the pan, and you just gotta mix it. So what do you do?
Oh, fire hazard.
That's what you should not. So then after what you have to do is you gotta put all the beef in there and then you gotta like chop it and so make it chunky and all the meats in there.
Okay, we're gonna let it sit now.
Beef now. So
now we need to look the ingredients now.
Then first we gotta put all the tomato sauce in here.
Okay, put it in.
And then we put the pepper in. Everything right here, and
Okay.
I'm gonna dump it.
Thank you, sir.
Everything, all the ingredients. We got basil, we got pepper, and salt. Alright, then we put some cold water in the pot.
Add some salt.
This video will be uploading on Wednesday, not Monday, because there's something on Monday I gotta get done. And another thing, I hope you guys enjoy this video. There's gonna be more to this. I have to put the spaghetti and all that. Put them into the pot. Unfortunately, this is going to be hard because my camera guy is not here, so I don't know how we're going to do this. Okay, then after that, you put the spaghettis in the bowl.
This one is still.
Yeah, this one is very slow, I don't know why. Alright, so once you stir the spaghettis in the pot, you gotta stir it nice and gentle. A spatula with a hook like that, but we don't have it with us because we're looking then. Just drain all the hot water inside the drainer and just shake out all the wet. I test for it just in case if it's good or anything like that. Gotta mix it really good to make the spaghetti nice sauce. And that's how you make your homemade spaghetti sauce. And this is Movie Master. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome, stay cool, and always. And see you guys next time. Next video, Movie Master out.
Visualize it. I'll give it something to do. Crunch, wherever we go. Visualize it. I'll give it something to do. Get a wild fire.